Adherent to the plight of the vulnerable and marginalized fishing household communities in Mindanao, Philippines, the Lanao Aquatic and Marine Fisheries Center for Community Development Incorporated was formed in 1989 as a non-stock, not-for-profit, non-government organization. Prior to its establishment as an autonomous NGO in 1989, LAFCOD operates as a support program for small fishers with funding support from Agro-Aquatic Services Association Incorporated and Farmer Center for Development. The program took off from the local initiatives of fishing communities in the municipalities of Carumatan, Lala, Baroy, and Maigo, province of Lanao del Norte, beginning in the 1980s. Then, LAFCOD focused on national issues that were common to the concerns and interests of farmers and fishers. The completion of the Fishery Development Project in September 1992 was followed by LAFCOD's institutionalization as an autonomous organization. Accompanying its institutionalization was the change in the organization's objectives. The general objectives remained the same, but there was one specific objective that was added to the list, that is, to promote and develop working relationship with government institution.